If you've been dreaming of a life where open space meets everyday luxury, you're going to completely fall in love with where I am today. Welcome to Hawthorn Woods, Illinois, one of the most coveted serene communities in the entire Lake County area. What makes living here so incredibly special isn't just the gorgeous homes, it's the lifestyle. Hawthorn Woods is famous for its quiet tree-lined streets, extensive parks, and a truly tight-knit community feel. You're just minutes away from top-tier local golf courses, including the public course at Countryside Golf Club in Mundelein, fantastic dining being down the street from the new Sorrel, or get a homemade meal at Enzo and Lucia in Long Grove. Boutique shopping, plus being located right between Deer Park and Hawthorn Mall. You are right in the heart of the Stevenson School District. It's the absolute perfect retreat for everyday living, and it has everything you could ever need. Now let's talk about 46 Carlisle Road. The second you step through the front door, you immediately feel at home. This is the first time this property's been on the market in over 20 years, and you can instantly feel the care and love that has gone into maintaining it. Inside, the home offers 4 generously sized bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a fantastic finished lower level that gives you all the flexible bonus space you could ever need for a home theater, gym, or even a playroom. And for ultimate peace of mind, the major big ticket items are already taken care of, including a newer roof, furnace, central air conditioner, and so much more. You also have a 3-car garage with a circular driveway. It's just perfect. Step outside onto this stunning 2-level stone patio. It is the ultimate backyard setup for summer barbecues, crisp autumn nights by the fire pit, or just letting the kids and pets run around completely free with total privacy. From the incredible curb appeal to the spectacular 1-acre lot, homes in this neighborhood do not come around often. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to see more homes and more tours in the Chicago suburbs. If you want to experience the Hawthorn Woods lifestyle for yourself, give me a call, text me, DM me, and let's schedule your private tour today. Let's get you into your dream home.